so I'm out here with my dad. He's flying his, what is it again? Inspire 1. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to get one of those. It makes my Mavic Air look pretty small. So we're just out here. It's all the way over there. I'm gonna show you guys what he's seeing on his screen. You really can't see it, but it's somewhere over there.
I'll bring it back closer.
Oh, yeah, he said he's gonna bring it back closer, so when it gets back over here, I'll show you guys. There it is, just flying along Potomac. Yeah, I'm about to send mine up real quick, and so we're probably gonna see if we get some nice sunsets shot. So yeah, so let's send this baby up. Okay guys, so I just got it set up. Got the controller here. His Inspired 1 is right there. And I'm about to send my little baby Mavic up and try to get some footage of his Inspire in the air. So there you have it, guys. That was the Inspire 1, not the 2, the 1. And mine is still up there. Okay guys, so we're returning the Mavic home. Because tomorrow we're gonna have... So I'm gonna go and buy another battery tonight, because tomorrow we're gonna have a pretty long day out recording. As you can see, this thing is extremely cool. I'm about to get one. I have to. Stay tuned. Okay, so he's about to land the Inspire 1. This thing just looks so cool up there. Look at it. This thing's freaking cool. Oh, it's so windy. So windy. Don't do this at home. Landing gear will go down. Wow. So that's pretty much going to be it for this vlog, guys. I was just showing you guys some of the drones and some future plans for the channel. So if you guys like the content, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.